name is David Poindexter, and I am with nVisionative. We are a creative marketing and app development company in the Charlotte, North Carolina area in the USA. We were really looking for a nice solution that would allow us to quickly create API endpoints to be able to integrate either other web apps or mobile apps, or in some cases even desktop apps. So we actually ran across your products there and was super impressed with the speed and ability to make these endpoints. That's a great question. There are a lot of products out there, but we really liked the simple interface to be able to quickly create these, even to the point where some clients, even we show them, how to make changes to things. It kind of depends on the application, but it was intuitive, and the ease of use, I believe, is probably and the installation process is super simple as well. So. Well, I mean, you had us from day one, really, to the quality of product and the level of support made it a no-brainer for us. Being able to create a quick, simple endpoint. And then also, I love the fact that, and this is probably not exactly what you're looking for, but for me, we can write a simple SQL query and just map those fields to the JSON output. To me, that is very powerful because we didn't have to learn some new scripting language, some new anything. We really just used the knowledge that we already had and just applied it within the context of your UI. So that's a really big benefit to us. Well, it would take us a lot longer, for one, to complete the task at hand. And let me put some actual numbers around that. To develop an endpoint from scratch, it could take us a day. Whereas, to scaffold out all the code that needs to be there, to make sure it's written right, to go and test it, and all that. But instead, I can spend 5 to 10 minutes and already have a functional endpoint working using your product. So it's a huge time saver. I would say that the cost of the product is very reasonable, especially considering the really long-standing benefit that it's going to bring to you, and the time alone makes it almost silly to consider, to not consider purchasing. So that's one thing. And then when there is a question about something, your support is great, very quick and responsive and detailed. I know that I'm talking to someone that understands the technical aspects of things, and I don't feel like I am talking to someone that doesn't, that is reading a script.